Season 2 trailer for Power, Book 4 Force drops right now.
You ever get tired of being at the bottom of the top? What's standing in our way?
Just the biggest connects in Chicago.
Chicago's a violent city, you feel me?
Right now, we just let them fight each other while we expand our territory. And then when nobody's looking, we slide right on in.
Watch your grip, Weddle.
We seize this moment, it'll get us closer to becoming the Connect.
There may be teardrops to shed.
Tommy Egan is the linchpin to bringing down all of these gangs.
I want eyes on him.
You will make it very far.
We can't keep going to war. What the hell we gonna do now?
Let's face the music and dance.
We gonna build a train so big, it can't be stopped.
Miguel, he's dangerous.
So am I.
We got enemies eyeing us, cops clocking us.